Bodycam recording initiated. Patrol active. Location, Sector Alley 12. Time, 23:47 hours. Environmental scan in progress. Fog density above normal. Electrical interference detected. Unverified sound ahead. Possible anomaly. Distress audio confirmed. Female voice detected. Visual contact established. Civilian identified. Heart rate elevated. Distress response high. Civilian secured within safe perimeter. Movement detected in mist. Threat probability rising. Unknown entity detected. Classification error. Form does not match database. Warning. Hostile intent confirmed. Engaging defense protocol. Shield online. Impact detected. Barrier integrity at 88%. Counterattack executed. Critical strike delivered. Non-lethal energy pulse activated. Target neutralized. Status temporary. Civilian assessment in progress. Vital signs stable. Emotional trauma severe. Zeta 35, police arrival. Escort complete. External law enforcement detected. Mission complete. Recording terminated. Threat remains.